So I picked up some tricks along the way, and I feel like there's 5 tips that I've learned so far along the way in my content creating journey, and I want to try to implement these tips into my next videos. So let's see how this goes. Maybe we could do it together. Number 1 is staying consistent. And I know we hear that all of the time, right? Stay consistent, stay consistent. Y'all, they did not lie. That's probably the one that is not a lie. And oftentimes I would be like, okay, so what exactly does that mean, right? Now, they say stay consistent, post that content. I was like, okay, you know what? One day I said, you know what? Let me go do some research. And I went to some of these, famous TikTokers or Instagram influencers, especially on Instagram, because I'm like, I found that Instagram has been the hardest platform to grow on. And I noticed one thing: a lot of them, their post was in the 200, 300 ranges. And that's the post that they typically decide to keep up on their Instagram, right? That's not even including the ones that they obviously had to delete, okay? Even the videos that flopped. Some people, they have about 500, 600. And here I am with my measly single digit. I have 9. So I'm like, okay, let me just keep uploading. So now I have about like 19. And I'm like, okay, so I am nowhere near. I am nowhere near there. And that's okay. That's because I need to be consistent. Okay, once I am consistent enough and I continue to post, I will then gain more of a following engagement, and yeah, I will find my community. But I have to just post. I have to post, okay? Let that be a reminder for you out there that has not been posting, but you want to be a content creator and you only posted like once a week. Yeah, that's not gonna work. When they said to post 2 or 3 times a day, they really do mean that. Now I actually see it, and I see the math. Wow, so this entire time I don't think I was recording. Okay, I would say that investing in a great lighting would be a really good way to go, especially if you are just, starting out. Okay, so I have been using this ring light as well as my vanity light, and then this light that I also purchased from the Amazon, from the TikTok shop. I will post a picture of it. It's like the one that you clip onto your phone, but it's the one that is slightly bigger, the one that everyone has been raving about, the Alex Air light, but the one that's a little bit bigger. I really like that one. I got it from the TikTok shop. And yeah, I'm also using my ring light and my vanity light. So you want to make sure that your sound is really has really great quality. I got my mic from the DJI store, and my mic was around $100. And I also got my camera too from the DJI store, so that as well gives me the quality that I am filming for you guys. And another thing would be to use SEO keywords. SEO keywords definitely matters. I would say depending on the platforms, but I am still learning the platforms myself. So honestly, I am learning the SEO keywords myself. Now for TikTok, I could do it for TikTok, and it's pretty easy. And TikTok, the SEO keywords help you get categorized much faster. Definitely, as well as following trends too. Now, if you are good at keeping up with the latest trends, then obviously that'll be great for you. I'm not really that great when it comes to trying to keep up with the latest. But yeah, so if you guys are good with keeping up with the latest trends, then definitely that'll help you as well too. But yes, using the SEO keywords would help you. I don't really see it really helping much on Instagram, but I feel like now that I'm trying to use Instagram as now that I'm trying to use Instagram as a creator, I feel like it is now, I'm trying to learn it from a different perspective, right? So, I don't know. If you guys have some tips and tricks on the SEO keywords when it comes to other platforms such as YouTube and Instagram, definitely let me know. For YouTube, what I use is TubeBuddy. I use TubeBuddy. It's just a extension that you're able to use, and it helps you with finding the best hashtags, finding the best title. It even helps you with your thumbnail. You could compare your thumbnails with other thumbnails that you may have created, and then it'll help you pick out the best one. I had to just add just a little bit more blush. And if you guys haven't done so already, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to hear what you guys are doing. And if you guys like my video, definitely let me know. The next thing would be engagement. So you want to make sure that you are asking questions, and you do have some interesting topics to talk about. That way people can comment. Just like right now, like I would like to know, like you guys are definitely watching me do my makeup. What is your favorite part when it comes to doing your makeup? For me, I feel like my favorite part has to be this right here. Blending out my concealer is my favorite part when it comes to doing my makeup. Let me know if it's just me. Are you guys like that too? What is your favorite part? I know some people, they love doing blush. Everybody's crazy when it comes to blush time. Even contouring. Some people love doing the contour and all that. I really love blending out my concealer. I love it. So comment below, what is your favorite part to doing your makeup, as well as what are some content creator tips that you guys have heard along the way that you are implementing to your channels, as well as things that you would like to implement into your channels. Mine are the 5 key factors that I just talked to you guys about today, and all of the 5 key factors that I did talk to you guys about today, and I really can't wait. But actually, there's one more. Engagement. We talked about quality. We also talked about consistency. The last thing is authenticity. Last but not least is number 5, and that is to be authentic. I feel like people try so hard to be perfect, but honestly, no one's perfect. Sometimes people will connect with you more just for being real versus being fake, right? Sometimes being perfect might come off as fake because, yeah, no one's perfect, okay? So I feel like just be authentically yourself, put out your best content, and put out engaging content. If you guys agree with the stuff that I've been saying so far, then definitely leave me a comment. And if you guys do like this video, you guys want to see more, like, comment, and subscribe. That way you guys will know when I do post again. All right, it's been lovely chatting with y'all. Bye.